Hello, welcome to my class. Our today's topic is subscription. So what is subscription? Subscription is the main income source of any not-for-profit organization. This is the amount which is contributed by its members on yearly basis. And remember this thing, this is our revenue income. So all revenue incomes will come in income and expenditure account. तो सब्सक्रिप्शन का ट्रीटमेंट इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट के क्रेडिट साइड में मींस इनकम साइड में होगा. एंड यू सी वी हैव टू राइट ट्रीटमेंट इन टू बैलेंस शीट्स आल्सो, previous year's balance sheet as well as current year's balance sheet. Now the question will come in your mind, why there is a need of previous year's balance sheet. So my dear students, in this chapter you have to prepare balance sheet of previous year also for the calculation of capital fund. Now see, I will tell what will be the treatment of subscription. First of all, subscription received during the year will come in income side, or we can say credit side of income and expenditure account, like this. Whatever amount is given in your question, and in which we will add outstanding subscription of current year, outstanding subscription of current year, and we will deduct outstanding subscription of previous year. And after that we will add subscription received in advance in previous year and subscription received in advance for next year will be deducted. And treatment of this outstanding as well as in advances. Okay, so like this, the treatment will come in income and expenditure account. You can see once again, subscription received during the year was given 80,000 and outstanding of current year was 20,000. Outstanding of previous year was 10,000. Subscription received in advance in previous year was 5,000 and subscription received in advance in current year is 4,000. So outstanding of current year will be added and outstanding of previous year will be deducted, as well as advance in previous year will be added and advance in current year will be deducted. And treatment of these outstandings as well as advances will come in balance sheet also, and very simple treatment will come. Outstanding of current year will come in current year's balance sheet at the asset side, like this. Outstanding subscription, that is 20,000. And outstanding of previous year will come in previous year's balance sheet at the asset side. Outstanding subscription, that is 10,000. Same way, previous year advance will come in previous year's balance sheet at the liability side. Advance subscription rupees 5,000, and current year's advance will come in current year's balance sheet at the liability side. तो ये तो एक सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन था. इफ ऑल these four information will be given to you, treatment will come like this. अब इस क्वेश्चन को थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड कर लेते हैं. So we are ready with the question now. You can see subscription received during the year is 80,000 and subscription outstanding on 31st March 2016 is 26,000. Subscription outstanding on 31st March 2017 6,000. Subscription received in advance on 31st March 2016 15,000. Subscription received in advance on 31st March 2017 is 10,000. And you see one more additional information is given in this question, that is subscription of rupees 2,000 are still in arrears for the year 2015 and 16. So I am ready with this format now. You see, subscription received during the year will come 80,000 like this. And subscription outstanding on 31st March 2016. This is previous year's outstanding. Outstanding of previous year will be deducted. I will write it here as well as in previous year's balance sheet at the liability side. Sorry, asset side. Okay. Then subscription outstanding on 31st March 2017 is 6,000. Subscription outstanding 6,000. And this amount will come here. ध्यान से देखिएगा, अभी एक छोटी सी गुगली है इसमें. Subscription received in advance on 31st March 2016, 15,000. This is previous year's advance received in previous years, 15,000. And it will come in previous year's balance sheet at the liability side. Subscription received in advance on 31st 3 2017, 10,000. This is current year's advance. It will be deducted and it will come in current year's balance sheet at the liability side. Now you see one additional information is given, that is subscription of rupees 2,000 are still in arrear for the year 2015-16. It means previous year का subscription 26,000 था और current year में out of 26,000 we have received only subscription of rupees 24,000, not 26,000. So 24,000 rupees will be deducted here, and you see subscription outstanding on 31st March 2017 is 6,000. अब जिसमें से 2,000 previous year का हो गया तो यहां पर डिटेल इस तरीके से आ जाएगी, आउटस्टैंडिंग सब्सक्रिप्शन of previous year 2,000, and you see total subscription due on 31st March 2017 is 6,000. That means current year's outstanding will be 6,000 minus 2,000, that is 4,000. Outstanding subscription of current year will be 4,000, and same way यहां पर 6,000 के बजाय अब आप 4,000 रुपीज ऐड कर देंगे और 80,000 plus 4,000 and minus outstanding of previous year, like this amount will come in income and expenditure account. तो इस तरीके की कुछ क्वेश्चंस आपकी बुक में हैं. मैं आपको सजेस्ट करूंगा इन क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करने के लिए आप पहले सब्सक्रिप्शन का कंप्लीट यहां पर फॉर्मूले को लिख लीजिए. एड आउटस्टैंडिंग ऑफ करंट ईयर लेस आउटस्टैंडिंग ऑफ प्रीवियस ईयर, एड एडवांस इन प्रीवियस ईयर एंड लेस एडवांस इन करंट ईयर. सेम वे आप बैलेंस शीट के फॉर्मेट्स में इस तरीके से एक एक्सट्रैक्ट बना लीजिए. आउटस्टैंडिंग सब्सक्रिप्शन विल कम इन असेट साइड लाइक दिस एंड एडवांस सब्सक्रिप्शन विल कम इन लायबिलिटी साइड. और आप इनके सारे क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करिए. कोई भी प्रॉब्लम अगर आपको आती है तो आप मेरे चैनल के कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर लिखिए. मैं उसको विद इन 1 or 2 days उस क्वेश्चन का सॉल्यूशन आपको जरूर बताऊंगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच.